Welcome to CrewStart, Batch Generating Timesheets and the Payroll Spreadsheet. In this video, we are going to show you how a designated user can use approved daily time reports to generate timesheets for their crew, as well as prepare the weekly Sargent-Disc payroll spreadsheet. CrewStart is part of Sargent-Disc's Digital Production Office suite of software, designed to increase efficiency and reduce the cost and carbon footprint on production. A time report is a report used for logging the time and attendance each day for a specific department. A timesheet is a weekly document for each crew member detailing their time and attendance, and possibly their weekly payments as well, including any overtime incurred. You can batch create timesheets for an entire department based on the approved time reports entered for a week. First of all, log into CrewStart using your username and password. Go to the Time Reports tab to review the entered time reports. In the top right, there is a yellow icon you can use to open a filter for reviewing time reports. You can filter according to department, week commencing, or a specific day. To clear the filters, click Clear Filters. The time reports will be either fully approved, marked with a green tick, pending approval, marked with an orange clock, or still at the editing stage, marked with an orange pencil. Once a whole week's worth of time reports have been entered and approved, including any 6th or 7th days, you can use them to batch create a weekly timesheet for a whole department and send them to the crew members. To batch create a weekly timesheet for a department, click Batch Create Timesheets in the top right. Next, select the department you wish to create timesheets for. Next, enter the week commencing date. This is the date of the first day of the week, usually Monday. Next, select the due date for the timesheet. This is the deadline for the crew to review and sign their timesheets. Next, select which timesheet type you would like to send. Click Prepare Batch Send. In the next tab, you will see a bar representing each timesheet for each crew member within the department. If a timesheet has all information required to be sent, there will be a green icon on the right of the timesheet bar. You can select each timesheet individually or click Select Valid Envelopes to mass select all fully valid envelopes. You have three options. Preview drafts. This will create one PDF containing all the timesheets for the department. You can download and review it. It will not send the timesheets to the crew member or save a draft in CrewStart. Create drafts. This will save a draft of the selected timesheets in the Drafts section of CrewStart for sending later. Send envelopes. This will send selected timesheets to the crew member. If you select invalid envelopes, you will not be able to send the timesheets, but you can create drafts. Once the drafts are created, click on the green icon to open the draft in a new tab. This will open a process similar to that of sending an envelope. Click at the top to identify missing information. When you have completed any missing information, you can click Next and proceed to send the timesheet. When you have sent the timesheet, you can close the tab and return to the Batch Send window. As soon as timesheets have either been sent or created as drafts, you can export the Sargent-Disc payroll spreadsheet for that week. To download this spreadsheet, go to the Envelopes tab. Click the Export icon in the top right, select Export to Excel and click Export. Select Timesheets, specify the week commencing date, then select Timesheet Type, then click Download Export. The Excel export is divided into two tabs, the Summary tab and the Detail tab. The Summary tab will show one row per crew member per week for every department that has had timesheets sent to them or drafts created. The Detail tab shows one crew member per day per row and also shows the allocations for every type of payment. This spreadsheet can then be submitted through the Sargent-Disc secure messaging system. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in using CrewStart on your project, please contact sales@sargentdisc.com. If you have any support questions, please contact support@sargentdisc.com.